Hello everyone, welcome to my video, the unboxing of my pre-owned Magic keyboard. This is my current setup. I have the Logitech keyboard and mouse that I use along with my iPad Air 5th gen for school. I am completely digital. I use no paper products, and this worked for me for a long time, and it's good for the most part working from home. However, it's a problem when I have to pack everything up and leave home. It's bulky, so I decided to look into the Magic keyboard, and I'm here on the website where I find out that the Magic keyboard is a little rich for my pockets. So I am not willing to pay $2.99 plus tax. It's a lot of money for a keyboard. I understand it does a lot and it's the best, so I'm looking for an alternative here, and I decided to go with Amazon because all of my tech, with the exception of my Nook, is refurbished, and I bought it from Amazon. So I said, let me see if Amazon has, and they did, and I'm loving the price. Price is amazing, and the main reason why I wanted to get the Magic keyboard is portability and backlit keys. So here we are. Came relatively quick. And this was a shocker to me. It came with the box, which was really nice. And as you can see, it was like brand new. I mean, with the exception of the plastic, it was like brand new. A little dusty, but not too bad. And it came with all of the paperwork, no stickers, but which is fine because I would just throw them out. But all of the paperwork, the quick start guide and what I call jibber jabber paperwork. All the jibber jabber paperwork, which was nice. I don't care for it, but for those that do, you get that. Yep, there goes the jibber jabber papers and the quick start guide. You can look at how good condition that's in. And this was on Amazon, refurbished, for $179.99 plus tax. Backlit keys, which is really convenient for me. I did not have that with the Logitech keyboard. So comfortable typing. It's a smaller keyboard, but it just doesn't feel smaller. I'm really happy with this purchase. And the keys just spring back. They have a nice spring to them, just like a new keyboard. Nothing about this feels used, refurbished. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.